Hello champs. Robonix welcomes you all to our STEM Resource Program Center. For a better experience, please view this video tutorial in full screen mode. Please use headphone.
Hi champs, welcome you all to this tour guide. I am Nikita, your host. I will take you all step-by-step guide of making of STEM project calls mini truck. Here we go champs. Champs, please open your Robonix fun box and try to get familiar with the Robonix fun box contents one by one, so during this session you can get the maximum exposure and can also develop a good understanding with this tutorial. This is G motor set with single shaft. These motors can lift a 150 grams of load. This is F1 tire set with flat surface. These tires can lift a 500 grams of load. This is smart board and robot brain can be configured on it with easy go. This mechanism calls military wheel and it can rotate at 360 degrees. It helps the robot to navigate in a particular direction. Here you have robotic accessories and cables required to build the robot and are needed for robot connections. Now champs, let's take a tour of required tools. Those will help you in building this fantastic robotic project. Champs, all we need a small screwdriver with fine grip, a medium-sized scissor and a double-sided foam tape. The screwdriver is the part of your fun box contents. Champs, let's go to build this robot. Please watch all important points and screen guide window carefully. Please note down all your queries. We love to address at the end of this session. Here we go now. First of all, take out the set of G motor and unscrew the screws. Are there in the green compartment of each motor. We need to install one set of cable with each G motor. Watch carefully this step and don't forget to tighten back the respective screws so no cable will come out. Champs, here we are using pin-to-pin cable and this cable strip is also available in your fun box. To install cables to G motors, you should unscrew the screw as we are demonstrating here. Remember, no screw should fall out the green compartment. Champs, now both the G motors are ready, as you can see it here. Now further we are going to join these two G motors together. The process is as follow. Please watch it carefully. Please, stability of robot structure depends on this joining process. Please take a close look here. Champs, please make an important note here. The shafts of both G motors should be outside and well aligned and should also fall along a single line. Now here we are sticking these motors with the help of pop sticks and double-sided foam tape. Please watch this process carefully. To join these motors we need 4 pop sticks. All pop sticks should be 8 cm in length. Champs, we are applying double-sided foam tape onto G motors. Please watch and follow these steps carefully. Applying double-sided foam tape on the top side as well at the bottom side of both G motors one by one. Please watch this process carefully. Champs, our G motors are ready, and now we are initiating the G motor sticking process. Please watch here carefully. Now removing the top covers of foam tape applied to these G motors here. Champs, we have done sticking the pop sticks on one side of these G motors. Now we stick another set of 8 cm pop stick to the other side of these G motors. Please watch this process carefully. Champs, now time to install F1 tires of this robotics project. Here we are going to install F1 tires on each shaft of G motors. Please watch this process carefully. Champs, please see here the robot structure is not stable. To make it stable we need 2 more pop sticks and 1 military wheel. Please watch these steps carefully as we are in the final stage to structure this robot. Now we are taking 2 pop sticks with 12 cm of length, as here we are arranging these 2 pop stick. Please watch this carefully. To fix these 2 pop sticks with the robot structure, we need to apply double-sided foam tape about 5 cm in length. Champs, the important point to be noted here that you should fix these 2 pop stick in the center of F1 tires. Please watch carefully. Now to make this robot more stable, we need to fix the military wheel at the another end of these 2 pop stick. Champs, please watch this process very carefully, as it is very important to understand the military wheel installation. Here we go now. Champs, we require foam tape here to install the military wheel on robot body. This will facilitate robot with very stable position with respect to the ground. This military wheel helps robot to navigate with ease.